people were affected because their families were affected. Di ba? Their jobs are affected. Mabilis naman mag-sorry, mabilis magtahimik. Pero everybody here, we're in agreement, all of us, we're in agreement na this is a burden. Burden siya of responsibility. Kami yung unang ginawan ng ganito ng Congress. If we fold, it will dictate how the rest of the Philippines will respond to the bullying of those in power. If tumahimik kami at natakot kami, then kami nga natatakot ng ingi-ingi namin. Ano pa kaya yung regular Filipino? So, actually, oo naman, we're affected, but we are also feeling the burden of responsibility that what we do, how we choose to respond to this, will set the course for the Filipino. Hindi lang kami, mga anak namin, mga ano namin. So, right now, we're doing this so that alam ng mga tao at alam din ng mga abusadong kongresista at those in power now and in the future that there's a way to, yung legislative overreach nila, yung abuse of power nila, there's a way to respond to that. We have courts and we the people, we are more powerful than any politician. We have to remember that.